Hello, Lavilla. So you need to unmute, please. Bottom left, yeah, perfect.
Hello.
Okay, great. Very nice to see you. Ready?
Ready.
Great. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and go.
Very good evening, everyone. Geshe-la taught 8 different practices in the 8 verses of training the mind. All practices are for developing our attitude, valuing others, and cherishing others. Most of us cherish ourselves. That is called self-cherishing. Self-cherishing is our mind thinking that I'm important while neglecting others. It is defined as a mind that considers ourselves to be supremely important and precious. Whatever action we are doing, whether working, talking, eating, or relaxing, one part of our mind should always be watching to check what thoughts are arising. If negative thoughts are arising, we should try to stop it as soon as possible. If we catch the thought in early stages, it is quite easy to stop. But if we allow it to develop fully, it becomes difficult to control. All we need to understand is why we should cherish others. There are 2 main reasons to cherish all living beings. The first is that they have shown us immeasurable kindness, and the second is that cherishing them has enormous benefit. All living beings deserve to be cherished because of the tremendous kindness they have shown us, like our skills, abilities, how we eat, talk, read, write, houses, cars, shops, schools, and hospitals all come from the kindness of others. Our spiritual development also depends upon the kindness of living beings. Without them, we could never learn to practice giving, patience, compassion, and develop virtuous qualities. This kind of practices protect me from jealousy, desirous attachment, harmony, and negative karma. I'm always trying my best to practice in my daily life. It is really helpful for me. Thank you.
Oh, thank you so much, Lavilla. That was very nice, Lavilla. Thank you so much for that explanation. You got a lot of information into a short amount of time. So very nice. Thank you so much. Okay.
Point that hooks the listener to want to go further into the text. So I saw some of those examples. I want to congratulate you all on doing the preparations for the class, working hard on this. And I know that some of you